So we'll talk about the productive allocative efficiency in case of monopolistic competition. But for understanding that, we'll have to know the meaning of productive and allocative efficiency. So productive efficiency means that the firm is minimizing its cost in the long run. Okay, so suppose this is the average total cost of the average total cost curve of the firm. So productive efficiency would mean that the firm is operating at this point where the average total cost is minimum. Okay, and what is allocative efficiency? Allocative efficiency means producing that level of output where the price is equal to marginal cost. That means whatever the society is paying as a cost for a product, the same price has been charged from the society for that product. For understanding the productive and allocative efficiency in case of monopolistic competition, we'll have to first of all consider and understand the case of perfect competition so that we can see a contrast between the two. Now, I have taken here the firm's scenario, the firm's average total cost curve and everything has been taken over here. So in case of perfect competition, you guys know that price is equal to average revenue, but that is also equal to marginal revenue. This blue curve is nothing but the average total cost curve. This is the marginal cost curve. Okay, in case of perfect competition, if you remember, in the long run there are zero economic profits or the normal profits. Okay, so which is the situation where price is equal to average total cost, means average total cost is touching the price, which is the point A over here. So at this particular point the firm is obtaining zero profits. Now also one more thing, this OQ level of output is the level of output where MR is equal to MC, which is equilibrium level of output for the firm as well. So you can also see the same thing over here, the yellow line MR and MC, the green line, both are cutting at this point A. Now what about productive and allocative efficiency? So you guys observe, if I talk about this efficiency, then this point A is the minimum point of average total cost curve. So here average total cost is minimum. So that means there is productive efficiency in case of perfect competition. And for the allocative efficiency, we should have price equals to marginal cost, which is again happening over here because at this level price and marginal cost both are intersecting each other. So we can say that in case of perfect competition there is productive as well as allocative efficiency. Now let's talk about the both kind of efficiencies in case of monopolistic competition. So in case of monopolistic competition, we can observe that the minimum point of average total cost curve is over here. If I give it a name A, and this is the point B where the average total cost curve is touching the average revenue curve, or I can say ATC equals to AR, which is nothing but the price as well at the point B. Okay, now you guys know that in case of monopolistic competition, the equilibrium level of the output is again the point where the marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost. So the equilibrium output is given by OQ. Since it's cutting over here where MR is equal to MC, and it's cutting the average total cost curve at the point B, which is not the minimum point of average total cost curve. That means there is no productive efficiency. Okay, now let us find out what about allocative efficiency. So if I want to check about the price at this point B, then the price is given by OP. And if I want to find out the marginal cost, then since the output is cutting the marginal cost curve at the point C, so marginal cost is OM. So I write here, this is the price and the marginal cost is OM. So it is very much clear that OP is more than OM. Means what is happening? Price is more than the marginal cost. Means society is paying more for which the cost is lesser. Okay, so that means in case of monopolistic competition, there is no allocative efficiency. Now question arises, what happens if firm operates at this point A? So if firm operates at the minimum cost, what would have happened? What would be the level of output? This OQ1, which is clearly more than the level of output that firm is actually producing. This particular difference is called the excess capacity. Means not only the firm is allocating inefficiently but is also in the position of excess capacity. Means there are too many firms who are producing not sufficient output for people. So what we can conclude, in case of monopolistic competition, there is neither productive nor allocative efficiency.